Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. And if you're new here, my name is Amber. Please subscribe to me if you haven't. So today I'm on my way to my doctor's appointment. I have one today and I have one tomorrow. But I'm going to the doctor's appointment really fast. My appointment is at 11:20. I shouldn't even be there for a long time. Okay, y'all driving slow. For me, it's the slowness for me because I'm trying to get to where I'm going. But anyways, so I have that doctor's appointment, and then after that, I got to do some ripping and running because your girl got to pay her rent. So I got to go to the post office to get a money order because, yeah. I have to do that. And then after that, what else I have to do? I have to go to Whole Foods because today I'm going to cook and I'm going to clean up my house so my man can come home to a clean house and a nice meal to eat because he wanted me to cook the shrimp alfredo. So that's what I'm going to make. So I got to get the ingredients and stuff from Whole Foods. And I also have to go to Walmart or either Target because I need some more paper plates, paper towels, paper bowls, paper cups, because we do plastic. We do a lot of plastic, so I don't like to wash dishes like that. So we got to re-up on that, and we really need to go grocery shopping, but I'm not doing that today. So cause I got a lot of other things that I want to do. And oh my god, you guys, I had got my heat press machine and I am so happy. So that's gonna be in another video. I'm gonna do a whole little series on starting my business because I'm about to start my business, honey. Like, it's been long enough and I've been wanting to do it. But I'm gonna chat with y'all later because I'm gonna pay attention to the road. And I'm gonna eat too. And okay, let me tell y'all real quick. So I went to McDonald's, right, to give me some breakfast before my doctor's appointment. And you know, they don't carry the orange juice in a bottle, and they have the machine. Now, once upon a time, not long ago, I used to work at McDonald's, and I know how that orange juice machine works. If you don't clean that machine out properly every single day, every night, what will happen is fruit flies, because you know the leftover residue from the orange juice will sit in that machine, and then that's how you create fruit flies. So fruit flies will be all up in the nozzle and stuff because, you know, they trying to get some of that orange juice. So when you go to get some orange juice, you'll see the dead fruit flies in your cup. So that's why I do not orange juice that comes dispensed. I need a bottle. I need a fresh bottle. So anywho, I ended up getting this apple juice, this honest apple juice that comes with the kids meal, and it's organic. And when I tell you, baby, it is organic, this shit tastes like water. Like, I'm drinking, like, it got a little splash of fucking apple juice in here. It says 42% juice, and I can definitely tell that it's only 40% of apple juice in here because the rest is fucking water. And I'm like, what am I drinking? Like, I get it. They don't want, because it say no added sugar, so I get it. They don't want kids to be bouncing around off the sugar. You know, kids be having too much sugar anyway, and I'm not a sugar person like that, to be honest with you. But goddamn, I need some more apple flavoring or something. But I'll see y'all when I get to the doctor's appointment. I'll be there in like 15 to 20 minutes. So peace out. Alright, so I'm out of my doctor's appointment. I've been done for about 30 minutes now. I was on the phone with my boyfriend and my mom. I'm in an area where I'm not familiar with, and you know how you keep driving just to see if it's gonna look familiar, and that's what I'm doing because this ain't it. This ain't that, baby. She lost in the South. How did I fucking do that? hope this lead me to fucking State Road. That's what I need to be on. But I'm debating on if I want to go to Walmart or not. Because every time I in that bitch, I get to throwing 30 G's. For real. Walmart be taking all my little coins that I do have. And I cannot with Walmart. So what am I going to do? But I do need to pick up some stuff. I do. But I'm on my way to get my car washed because she dirty. She dirty. For now. Go ahead and turn. She is very much so dirty. So I gotta clean her. I gotta make her look good again. But I'll talk to y'all later. Finally made it to the car wash. It's a line for the most part, but it's only what 1, 2, 3, 4 cars that's in front of me right now. I got the $15 wash because I need the works on my car for real. Yeah, so I am in Home Depot and this is what I got. So I got this table. This table is only $39. This is for me to put my heat press on and my Cricut machine on so I can do my designs. I got some paper towels and some cleaning supplies because I'm going to clean up my house. I see this rack over here, but I don't need that. Not for right now. Not for right now, so yeah. So what I come up in here for? I came up in here for something. Oh, curtain rod. See if I can find a curtain rod. They got scotch tape here. Yeah, so let me continue to look to see what else they got. So I'm in the aisle for the butcher paper, but I don't think this is the right butcher paper for me. Yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is not the butcher paper that I'm looking for. I'm gonna have to order it off of Amazon because this is not it. Cause I need it for like sublimation and doing t-shirts, and this is not it. They have this color too, but this is like construction paper. It's not really giving me butcher paper. Like I need butcher paper like people use to put food, you know. So yeah, that's a no-go. I'm gonna have to just get it from Amazon. Some told me to get it from Amazon, but I didn't, so now I gotta try to order it. Alright, so I'm in Aldi's right now. I'm only here to get the paper plates and the paper cups and utensils and stuff, and then I'm gonna jet out of here because I really don't need anything in here. But and I ain't getting no car either, so your girl gonna be in and out. When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think. Oh my God, y'all. I am so sad. I'm so sad that my little baby that I went to high school with, she passed away. She was 27 years old. She had 2 children, 2 boys, and I'm so sad she died from a car accident. But I'm so sad because Oh my gosh, she was out here living her life, period. Like, she was out here living her life, living it up, enjoying life, enjoying the fruits and the labor of everything. And I'm happy she got to, you know, enjoy her life while she was here. But at the same time, I'm sad because, like, damn, she was only 27 years old. She's a couple of years younger than me, and she was a couple of grades lower than me when I was in high school, whatever. But we was on the same dance team and stuff like that. She was just doing her thing, and I'm so sad. Her and her baby dad, which was her boyfriend, we all went to the same high school with each other, and he is like in critical condition right now. So I'm hoping that he pulled through, which I know that he is, because God has the last say so, period. But I'm just so sad that she was just so full of life, and for her to lose her life like that in a car crash, it's like so sad. That's why you have to be careful on these roads, because people drive for themselves. They don't drive for other people on the road. And when I was learning how to drive, my mom always taught me that you have to drive for yourself and for the people around you too, because some people just don't know how to drive, period. And it's sad that so many people lost their lives from car accidents, you know, like that is just so horrible. It's so freaking horrible. That's why I just go to work, go to these little stores that I gotta go to, and come back home. But even if you do all that, you know, you could be at the wrong place at the wrong time. That's why you just have to stay prayed up and thank God every day for waking you up. Thank God for protecting you as you travel along these roads and travel to your destination, because baby, in a blink of the eye, your life can be gone just that instant. Just like with her life it's just over with just that quick. And 27 years on this earth, didn't even get a chance to see her kids grow up to be the handsome men that they are going to be, you know. Can't see them getting married, can't see them, you know, going prom and graduation and stuff like that. All that is over with, you know. So her family have to pick up the pieces and, you know, keep reminding her kids that, yes, even though your mom is not physically here, she's still here with you mentally and spiritually. You know what they say, absent from the body is present with the Lord. Hello now. But yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about that, about how short life is, really, because honestly, we only here temporarily. We in this body for temporary. It's not like we can be here forever. And I say just enjoy your life while you're here now. Do what you want to do. Enjoy it. Be free. Judgmental free. Look, stress free. Do the things that you want to do. So when it's time for you to go, you'll be satisfied with the life you had. Period. Okay, so I'm here, as you can see in the background, at Amazon Fresh. They just opened this up like 2-3 weeks ago. So I'm gonna check it out, because Amazon and Whole Foods is pretty much the same thing, because Amazon brought Whole Foods. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get all this stuff that I need here before I drive to fucking Whole Foods. Because I mean, it's if I drive a little further down, it'd be okay, but I don't feel like doing all that. So with that being said, I'm finna go to this Amazon Fresh grocery store, and we finna see what they got. Hopefully they got some good stuff, because I know when stores first open, people flock to it and then it be empty. So let me see if I can, you know, find some stuff that I need. If not, Whole Foods it is, period. An hour later, I am done from the store. I would have recorded inside of it, but it was just too packed in there, and I didn't have time to like pull out my camera because I was trying to get the stuff that I needed to get and get the fuck up out of there, because it was just a little bit too crowded for your girl. And it started to get cold outside. The sun is setting right now because it's about to be, it's past 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's 5:21, which I didn't expect for me to be out this freaking late, because I still have to clean up my house and shit. So with that being said, I'm about to go home and eat, because I need to put some on my stomach, and then I'm gonna start cooking like around 6:30-ish. Which way do I want to go? I gotta go this way because that's where the light is at. So around, dude, this the golden hour right here, baby. So yeah, so little bump. So yeah, so I want to start cooking like around 6:30 because my baby don't get off work to 8:30. So that give me enough time to do what I gotta do. I am in the house now and I am about to eat, okay? And this is what I'm about to eat, honey, cuz. So I picked this up at the Amazon Prime grocery store. I got orange chicken and I got the buffalo wings. And honey, y'all, if y'all haven't tasted this ranch by Lighthouse, this is the best ranch ever. It tastes so freaking good. I can't even lie to you. I got some cookies for dessert, and then I had got this sushi that I was telling y'all about, and I'm about to eat it. You see how the sell by date is tomorrow, even though he made it fresh today. That's what I like about them. So I'm about to eat that before I start cooking. And once I start cooking, then I'll bring you guys along so y'all can see how I make this vegan Alfredo with using cashew, the peanuts and stuff. So yeah, but let me eat and catch up on my YouTubers. I'm about to cook really fast, girl, cause my man's gonna come home and he needs a home cooked meal. Okay. I am done cooking, honey. Let me show you my end results. Look at that shrimp, spinach, vegan Alfredo made with cashew nuts. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you like this vlog, and if you did, please subscribe so you can see more of me. Until next time, I holla. Comment, rate, and subscribe.